Imagine having access to over 2,700 tokens, which includes a lot of altcoins for you to be able to choose from with your trades. MEXC Global is revolutionizing how you do your trades, and this is how. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of MEXC. Link to this will be in the description of the video. MEXC Global stands out as a leading cryptocurrency exchange with a primary focus, guys, on its futures trading platform. Okay, so the platform's user-friendly interface coupled with the continuous addition of new tokens positions MEXC as a top choice for traders that are seeking diverse and dynamic trading opportunities. So MEXC is also boasting the largest altcoin inventory, which supports over 2,700 pairs, okay, on its spot trading section alone. Now, this extensive selection provides users with unparalleled access to emerging and established cryptocurrencies. So the exchange also maintains high liquidity, ranking among the top 10 exchanges on CoinMarketCap with a daily trading volume that is reaching several $billion. Not million, it's billion, okay? And guys, one of MEXC's standout features is its rapid project listings, often listing new projects within 24 hours of their official release, which makes it an attractive platform for those that are early adopters and crypto enthusiasts. And that is actually one advantageous feature that would definitely benefit those traders that wants to make sure that they get in first and get that project at the lowest possible price to maximize the profits of their investment. And guys, beyond spot trading, MEXC offers diverse trading products, which includes spot, leverage, ETFs, and futures. And it covers over 500 futures pairs to meet the varying needs of its users. Now, with a user base, guys, right now of over 15 million users across 200 plus countries worldwide, MEXC is actually achieving global reach without requiring mandatory KYC for most countries, and they are offering a seamless and accessible trading experience. Additionally, guys, MEXC features the lowest futures trading fees among centralized exchanges, which features the 0% for takers and 0.02 for the maker. So 0.02% for the maker. Now, with selected spot pairs offering 0% trading fees, users can further reduce the cost by paying fees with the platform's native token, which is the MEXC token. Now, by combining comprehensive range of trading products, rapid project listings, and a very competitive fees, I mean, that's a no-brainer. MEXC continues to solidify its position as a premier exchange for futures trading and cryptocurrency enthusiasts worldwide. And of course, guys, make sure to do your own research. That way you would know what you're getting yourself into, and so you could also make informed decisions on your investments. There are a lot of information with MEXC in their website, who they are, what they do, what are their plans in the future as well, and what are the things that you need to know. It's going to be in their website as well. It will be in the description of the video. And if you are new to the channel, guys, of course, make sure to go ahead and click that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.